Hey there, and welcome back to Finance Boss. Alright, so let's talk about something that sounds almost too good to be true. Passive income. That sweet, sweet cash that flows into your bank account while you're, doing pretty much anything else. This month, I managed to pull in an extra $1,000 through various passive income streams, and I want to break down exactly how I did it. No, I didn't sell my soul, win the lottery, or invent a new app. Here's how I actually made $1,000 in passive income this month, without losing my mind. It's about being smart with your time and resources, and understanding that a little bit of work up front can pay off massively down the line. So, if you're tired of trading all your time for money, or if you're just looking for ways to boost your income without taking on a second or third job, then stick around. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact methods I used, how much each one contributed to that $1,000, the work involved in setting them up, and some tips to help you get started. Really quickly before we get started, I'd like to remind you that I upload frequently on this channel. So if you enjoy my videos and love financial tips and ideas, you might as well hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it helps me get more folks to see my videos. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, first up on the list, and a significant chunk of that $1,000, is affiliate marketing. I have made another video on affiliate marketing, which goes into further detail, and I'll throw that in the description, so check it out after you watch this video if you haven't seen that. This bad boy brought in about $300 this month. Essentially, you partner with companies and promote their products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you don't have to deal with inventory, customer service, or shipping. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its versatility. You can integrate it into a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, social media posts, or even an email newsletter. The key is to promote products or services that align with your content and that your audience would actually find valuable. For me, this often means financial tools, software I use for my business, or even online courses that have helped me. Authenticity is huge here. People can tell if you're just shilling random stuff for a quick buck, so only recommend things you genuinely believe in. Setting it up does take some initial legwork, I won't lie. You need to find affiliate programs that are a good fit, apply to them, and then strategically place your affiliate links in your content. This might involve writing review articles, creating video tutorials demonstrating a product, or adding links to your resource pages. For beginners looking to dip their toes into affiliate marketing, my biggest tip is to start with products or services you already use and love. It's so much easier and more natural to talk about something you're genuinely enthusiastic about. Think about the tools, software, books, or even physical products that have made a difference in your life or your work. Chances are, many of those companies have affiliate programs. Another crucial aspect is understanding your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? If you can match relevant affiliate products to their needs, you're not just making a sale, you're providing a valuable service. Don't get discouraged if you don't see massive results overnight. Affiliate marketing is often a slow burn. Consistency is key. Keep creating valuable content. Keep genuinely recommending products, and over time, those small commissions can really start to add up. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them, give them sunlight, and eventually, they grow. Next up, let's talk about digital products. This stream brought in a cool $250 this month, and it's one of my favorites because of the create once, sell many times model. Digital products are essentially intangible goods that are sold and delivered online. Think ebooks, templates, presets for photo editing software, stock photos, printables, workbooks, or even short video guides. The possibilities are pretty vast, and the best part is, once you've created the product, you can sell it an infinite number of times without any additional manufacturing costs. The initial setup for digital products involves, creating the product. This is where the bulk of the upfront work lies. Depending on what you're creating, This could take a few hours, a few days, or even a few weeks. For example, I've created some simple budget templates and some more in-depth guides on specific financial topics. The key is to create something that provides real value and solves a problem for your target audience. Once the product is made, you need a platform to sell it on. There are many options out there, like Etsy for more creative products, Gumroad, Sendowl, or even setting up your own e-commerce store using something like Shopify or WooCommerce if you have a WordPress site. For beginners, I'd recommend starting small and simple. Don't try to create a massive, all-encompassing digital product right out of the gate. Maybe start with a checklist, a short guide, or a useful template. Marketing your digital products is just as important as creating them. You can promote them on your social media, your blog, your YouTube channel, or through an email list if you have one. Content marketing works really well here. For instance, you could write a blog post that touches on a topic related to your digital product and then offer the product as a more in-depth solution. One thing I've learned is that presentation matters. Even though it's a digital product, having attractive mock-ups, clear descriptions, and perhaps even testimonials can significantly boost your sales. Pricing can be a bit tricky. You don't want to underprice and devalue your work, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market, especially when you're starting. The beauty of digital products is the scalability. Let's talk about an old school but effective form of passive income, dividend stocks. This month, my dividend portfolio chipped in about $150. The power of dividend investing is in its consistency and compounding potential over the long term. It's like planting a money tree, but without the need for a green thumb. So what exactly are dividend stocks? When you buy shares of a company that pays dividends, you're buying a small piece of that company. And as a part owner, the company shares a portion of its profits with you. These payments are called dividends. Not all companies pay dividends. Typically, it's more established, profitable companies. Think big names in sectors like utilities, consumer staples, or financials. The setup work for dividend investing involves a few key steps. First, you need to open a brokerage account. There are tons of great low-cost online brokers out there these days, like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, M1 Finance, or Robinhood. Do your research and pick one that suits your needs. Once your account is open and funded, the next step is to research and select dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused ETFs. ETFs can be a great option for beginners as they offer instant diversification by holding a basket of many dividend stocks. You don't want to just pick stocks with the highest dividend yield, as a super high yield can sometimes be a red flag. Look for companies with a strong financial foundation, a history of consistently paying and ideally increasing their dividends. For beginners, I always recommend starting slow and focusing on learning. Don't dump your life savings into dividend stocks overnight. Start with a small amount you're comfortable with and gradually build your portfolio over time. Consider setting up automatic investments if your broker allows it. One of the most powerful aspects of dividend investing is the option to reinvest your dividends. Many brokers offer a DRIP, which stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan, which automatically uses the dividends you receive to buy more shares of the same stock or ETF. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and getting bigger over time. Moving on to another fantastic way to generate passive income, online courses. This month, my online courses contributed a solid $200 to the $1,000 total. Package your knowledge into a structured course format. Video lessons, resources, quizzes, and sell access online. Teach once, get paid repeatedly. Everyone has something they can teach. Maybe you're an expert in software, a hobby like knitting or playing the guitar, a professional skill like marketing or coding, or even life skills like budgeting or productivity. If you have valuable knowledge, create an online course. The demand for online learning is growing. The setup work is the most intensive part. Outline your course content, create the lessons, develop resources, and choose a platform to host and sell your course. This can take weeks or months. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy are popular. Udemy helps with marketing but takes a larger cut. Teachable and Thinkific give you more control, but require self-marketing. Start with a specific, niche topic. Don't create a massive course. Focus on solving a particular problem or teaching a specific skill. Marketing is key once your course is uploaded. How will people find out about your course? Promote it through your blog, YouTube, social media, email list. Pricing your course is important. Research similar courses, consider the value you're providing, and think about the work you put into creating it. Last but certainly not least in our $1,000 passive income journey is ad revenue, which brought in about $100 this month. This primarily comes from platforms like YouTube, where I share content like this, or from display ads on a blog. You create content that attracts an audience, and companies pay to display ads alongside your content. You then get a share of that advertising revenue. For YouTube, you need to reach a certain number of subscribers and watch hours to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. Once approved, you can enable ads on your videos, and YouTube will handle the rest. For a blog, you might use services like Google AdSense. The amount of ad revenue you earn is tied to views, engagement, and the niche your content is in. Focus on creating valuable, engaging content consistently. If you build it and they come, the ad revenue will follow. Ad revenue can be variable, fluctuating based on the time of year and advertiser demand. Diversifying with other income streams is always a good strategy. The passive nature of ad revenue is that once your content is created, it can continue to earn money for you. An old video or blog post can still generate ad revenue months or even years after it was first published. This is where the real power lies, creating a library of content that works for you around the clock. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of how I managed to make $1,000 in passive income this month. We covered affiliate marketing, digital products, dividend stocks, online courses, and ad revenue. As you can see, none of these are get-rich-quick schemes. Each one required some upfront work, some learning, and a bit of patience. But the beauty of these methods is that once they're set up, they have the potential to generate income with significantly less active effort on your part, freeing up your time and adding a nice cushion to your finances. The key takeaway here is that building passive income streams is about creating assets. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which passive income stream are you going to try first? I always read your comments and would love to know. I'd love to hear your plans and help out if I can. Thanks for watching. This is Finance Boss signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.